Releasing on October 30, 2025, at $75, the GS Sonic the Hedgehog X Puma Inverse Chrome Shadow merges SEGA nostalgia with modern sneaker energy. Designed in grade school sizing, this bold silhouette flips Shadow the Hedgehog's palette into a striking inverse shadow theme, featuring a chrome-treated upper for futuristic flair. It's not just a collector's piece, Puma's performance tech ensures comfort and functionality for everyday wear. The sneaker stands out with Sonic and Shadow graphics, vivid accents, and premium materials, blending storytelling with sleek aesthetics. This collaboration fuses video game heritage and fashion-forward design, capturing attention across playgrounds and display shelves alike. Whether you're a young fan or a sneakerhead, this release delivers style, function, and a nod to gaming history, all in one. It's a head-turning tribute that brings pop culture and performance together in a dynamic, wearable package.